Hi, want to know how to add or remove fingerprint on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here find a tab name of which is passwords and security. Then open it and here we would need to click on this tab which is named Fingerprint Unlock. And now, as a next step, here we would need to draw our pattern or enter the PIN code that you currently have on your phone. So let's do it. And now as a next step, we would need to start touching this power button, which is the sensor for the fingerprint, until we will be able to see that we have added our fingerprint on 100%. So let me show you how it looks. I'll start touching the power button and we would need to slightly move our finger, and every time when you can feel a vibration you would need to lift your finger and then put it back so the sensor can scan all the edges of your finger. As you can see here, I'm getting some instructions: move your finger slightly, or just some more that you can read on the screen. So let's keep touching the sensor until our fingerprint will be done. And this is it. As you can see, we have successfully added our fingerprint, and we are also getting suggested to add face recognition, but I'll do it later. So here we got our fingerprint number 1 and we click done. This is it. Now let's test it how it works. I'll turn off my phone and then turn it on. As you can see, it's locked, and to unlock it I would need to simply put my finger on the sensor, and now my phone is unlocked. So now the last question left is how to remove the fingerprint. For that, we would need to go to the same tab named Passwords and Security. Here, go to the tab Fingerprint Unlock, and here draw our pattern or enter the PIN code. Here, we would need to click on our fingerprint number 1 and here choose Remove Fingerprint. Click OK, and this is it. After this, the fingerprint unlock will be not active anymore. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.